Well, this weekend we're going to be doing this board and batten installation here in the hallway. I'll get you a better picture, but as you can see, it's a hallway, so I don't have much camera room. Now, one of the items that's different on this is we put a 2x4 behind here, and I'll show you that too in a minute. And then this board on top. So I have a lip. So we have a little shelf to display the pictures. And to make it just a little easier installation, we didn't pull off the baseboard. And so the stiles, what I did was cut a bevel, and it matches up better to the baseboard. So we're going to put up the rail first, the horizontal piece, but I have the stiles cut to length. And so I'm just going to tape those to use it as my height in keeping the rail where I want it. So let's start with that. This last one's about 2 inches too long. So I guess we're going to have to extend the house 2 inches. Or I can cut. I think I'll cut. That'll be easier. Okay. Well, moving right along, we painted the rail, the top of the rail, because that's all that'll be showing once we put the board on. And I'll show you that in a minute. But now we're on to the verticals, or the stiles. I'm putting a bevel on the bottom of the stiles, the verticals. So this matches the baseboard, just to make it look better. So we're going to start on the verticals, the stiles. And we've already done 3 here. So we're going to start the next one here, and I'll show you that. I'm using a combination of construction adhesive and 18 gauge nails to hold these on. And it seems like when you put them in a ring like that, it has a little bit more suction to it when you put it up. Once I got the initial vertical up and plumbed, I just cut spacer blocks, so I don't have to keep plumbing each one individually, and the spacing then is right. I used, like I was saying, 18 gauge 2-inch nails to get through the material, the drywall, and into the stud if there is one. So we'll just keep working down. Okay, now we're going to put some caulking around the the stowels to finish it off. On our fingers. And we'll even hit the nail holes. Well, we got it on our fingers. Just enough. Cover those up. So we have one last section up here to put up, and then we're done with this. We had to cut the length in half to get it in the car, else this could have been one nice long piece. A little construction adhesive here. And we made a scarf joint to join the two boards together. Well, there you have it, the project for this past weekend. Thanks for watching. See you on my next project.